All right, welcome to the broadcast, and I'd like to start off with some quick rejoinders from the government. And the government has distanced itself from the harsh economic turbulence that has struck Kenyans. According to the Chief Administrative Secretary in the Ministry of National Treasury, this is Mr. Eric Simiu Wafuko. He notes that the high cost of living plaguing Kenyans was more of a global phenomenon. He did make these pronouncements in regards to the state of the economy, even as Kenyans continued to battle the high cost of goods.
The availability of such outfits are useful, more so for some of us who are involved in forex transactions by due of the fact that a lot of the capital that was used for investments were actually foreign direct investments.
More on women economic empowerment, and I'm glad that I'm bringing more women on board.
Of the cost of living that you are making reference to is a global issue, partly influenced by the climate change issues, the fact that there have been extended periods of drought affecting food production. But also what is happening in countries like Ukraine, Russia conflicts, they have a bearing on what happens with supply chains across. Significant amount of wheat is produced right in the Ukraine area. And so yes, there will be ups and downs, but as government, on the long haul, we think that we are making all we can, including fertilizer subsidy, to make sure that our farmers are able to produce. In such moments like this, we want to shift from rain-fed agriculture to irrigation in order to bring more and more land under cultivation. We believe that it's time to move into productive sides, and as government to make sure that we build the infrastructure that will allow this country to be productive.
All right. Well, if you think the current cost of living is high,